In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily track a Wise payment. Let's jump in and make sure you never lose track of your transactions again. To begin, the very first thing you need to do is log into your Wise account. This is crucial as it gives you access to all the features necessary for tracking your payments. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with your home screen. You'll notice the Transactions section right on the home screen. This is your hub for viewing all your recent transactions. It's designed to provide a snapshot of each payment you've made, including when you sent it and the specific time of the transaction. If you want more detailed information about a particular transaction, just click on it. This will pull up all the specifics you need, such as the exact timing and possibly other relevant details for that transaction. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep tabs on your financial activities, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's say you encounter any issues with tracking your payments or if something doesn't seem right. Don't worry, Wise has got you covered. You can easily reach out to their customer service for assistance. They are there to help resolve any problems or questions you might have. It's always a good idea to communicate directly with their support team if you need clarity or run into an unexpected hurdle. Remember, staying on top of your transactions not only helps you manage your finances better, but also ensures you won't miss any important payments or notices that might come your way. Whether it's for personal budgeting or business purposes, having this capability at your fingertips can be incredibly beneficial. So whenever you're managing payments through Wise, using these features will make your experience seamless and stress-free. And that's it. By logging into your account, checking the Transactions section on your home screen, and examining the details of each transaction, you can track your Wise payments with ease. Plus, knowing customer service is just a click away provides that extra peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your financial transactions more effectively. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials designed to simplify your digital and financial endeavors.